colors, right?
Let's see. Some are yellow and some are blue.
Right, so that means we can sort them by color. We can put all the blue ones on one side of the plate, and we can put all the yellow ones on the other side.
Let's sort.
Okay, let's sort. I was hoping you'd say that. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, 7.
7 yellows. Okay, so we'll put all of them on one side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay.
Now we can count the blue chips. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue chips all together.
Yes. So you see, sorting is math.
So you can count the snack, sort the snack, and find out the shape of the snack.
Yeah, but that's not all.
Come on, there's more math?
Oh, you bet there is, and this is my favorite part.
Oh, what is it? What math are we going to do with the snack now?
It's subtraction.
Subtraction? Well, how do we subtract 14 chips?
Well, like this. We have 12 chips, and we take away 2. So how many are left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Right. 10 chips altogether.
Wow! I can't believe there's so much
Butang
math
nagbalik.
on one plate.
Butag balik ang
There's not
jacket.
just math on this plate. There's math in
Katalaya.
every place you look and everywhere you go, Elmo.
Wow. Well, I was going to look for math everywhere it goes.
That is so great.
But first, let's get
Ambil ang jacket.
Good idea.
Ibutang direk balik ang jacket.
I love math.
Elmo too.
Katalaya.
Subtraction. More subtraction.
Elmo, the musical is almost here. But right now, it's time to play Guess What's Next. Guess what's next? What can it be? There's a pattern you can see. Guess what's next? Can you tell? Guess by the time you hear the bell. Okay, let's check out the pattern. We have little ball, big ball, little ball, big ball, little ball. What comes next? Can you guess?
Katalaya, dili manghilabot.